cars don't move when the light turns green. We don't lock our doors when we leave the house. There ain't nobody here that we keep out. That's the way we do it in our town, yeah. You never hear me apologize for growing up strong, growing up right, living life by the golden rule. Say yes, ma'am, thank you. Green fields for miles and miles, ain't nothing but country on the radio dial. I thank the good Lord I was born and bred corn-fed. There ain't no burning flags on our courthouse square. You see old glory flying everywhere. There ain't no valet joint with five-star atmosphere. Daddy's homegrown beef's what's for dinner here, and we wash it down with a tall cold beer, yeah. You never hear me apologize for growing